Welcome. In front of me is Gateway Ultra Slim 71517 laptop, and in this video I will show you how to turn off this device. So you have several options of how to do this. The most common one is by opening the start menu, then going into power options and selecting shutdown or update and shutdown, like in my case. But in case your device is frozen and you cannot access this menu, you can shut down your PC forcefully by pressing and holding the power button until the light above the power icon right here disappears. So press and hold the power key for a while. Usually it takes around 10 to 15 seconds. Just keep holding it, and at this point you can release this button, and now your device is turned off. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.